can be prosecuted for that.
Alright, so mount your camera on a tripod using landscape, you get my point. Now record an empty scene for up to 10 seconds. After that, you can now walk in from one end of the screen. You get my point. So just look at me here, play ball, play you. So I want to pass a ball, so you can just do like this, understand? So after passing the ball, you wait for maybe 1 second, then you jump up using your hands to cover your face as if something just hit you on the face. Then you can be chancing the other person. You get my point. Just get angry, show some angry reactions to the other imaginary person. When you are done with that particular scene, you can now move into another end of the screen. You get my point. Just come in as if you want to ball, understand? I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So at this point, you'll be the one to kick. So this is, you are gonna be, just give a little time. You know that other person will have to walk in first, understand? It's just a little timing. So when that is done, you kick and then try to tell sorry and then do some remorseful reaction just like the after. You can just laugh the way I did. You get my point. Then you can now walk away. When you are done with that, you move, you save the video, then head over to Capcut. Now click on new project and import the video right here. So guys, here is the video on Capcut. You get my point. So I'll click on this mute clip audio, so I will be able to mute the whole sound in the background. You know, I had some noise in the background. So from here, I'm looking for that empty scene, understand, from this part before the character walks in. So I just want to move it backwards, so I'll be able to get that scene. Okay, I'm able to get it. I'll tap on the video layer, tap on split, then I'm gonna go look for overlay. Where is overlay? So look at overlay right here, tap on it, then hold it, drag it to the beginning of the video. We now have 2 layers. I don't know if you get my point. So now look at it right here. We need to extend this empty background to the end of the video. So at this point, we'll go look for freeze. You get my point, or you can use duplicate. So I will duplicate it, understand? So let me see where it stops. So if I know if I will duplicate another one. So at this point, I will still duplicate another one, or let me just leave it the way it is. You get my point. So now what I'm targeting right now is when the first character is finishing his own scene, his own part. I don't know if you understand. So I want to set it so that this will determine how the video is going to end. You get my point. So I want the video to end somewhere here. I'll tap on the video layer, tap on split, then I will move the video towards where the second character will want to come in from the other end of the screen. So at this point, from here, somewhere here, the guy is coming in. I will tap on the video layer, tap on split, and delete the middle part of it. Then I'm going to drag this one down to make it the 3rd layer. So guys, at this point, what you need to do again is you have to move the video a bit to make sure the 2 characters are in play. Then you will tap on the 3rd layer. So I'm going to tap on the 3rd layer right here. But if you're getting value from this video, please do well to hit the like button. You get my point. So I'm making an adjustment right here, so I will be able to set how the video is going to start, understand? So I will just tap on it, then I'll go to mask, then I'll click on mask, then click on horizontal right here. You get my point. Now tap on the adjust button, so you can click on the rotate. Now rotate it to 90 degrees, so it will be able to reveal the 2 characters. Then you can go on over to feather. Then I'm going to increase the feather to somewhere 10 to 15, maybe between 10 and 15. I'll leave it here at 11. You get my point. Then I'll click on OK. So now I have everything right here. Alright guys, so if you are a skit maker or a content creator and you're looking for a video editor that will be editing your videos, guys, I am right here. Just chat me. You will see my WhatsApp link in the description of this video. You get my point. Also, if you want to learn how to edit videos from scratch, you get my point. I got you covered. So I teach how to edit videos. Even if you want to learn for 1 month, you want me to mentor you till you are able to stand on your own, guys. And that's what I do for a living. So I'm going to teach you, I'm going to guide you. You get my point? So guys, at this point you will need to be splitting and deleting some parts, Now, why you should do that is so that you'll be able to set the characters immediately when the other character is kicking. Then it will just imagine the ball hitting the other character. You get my point? So make sure everything aligns together. I don't know if you get my point. So for you to achieve that, you need to split and delete some parts, or some parts you can now use the speed option to increase the speed or to reduce some speed. You get my point? So when you are done with all of this, then you can now export this video, and we are not done. You get my point? Alright, so now click on done, click on new project and import the video you just saved. You get my point? So look at the video here. So now let's just go through it, and then you see everything is set. The cloning is set. So what you need to do next is to click on overlay and click on add overlay, so you can bring in your green screen ball effect. You get my point? So guys, I believe you are following from the beginning. Alright guys, so here is the green screen ball effect. So as you can see, it's a spinning ball and we don't want it spin. You get my point? So first of all, we will have to remove the background. So what you do right here, you tap on the ball effect layer. Now go and look for freeze. You get my point? So where is freeze? Where is freeze? Where is freeze? Alright, so look at freeze. So you click on freeze. When you click on freeze, the next thing for you to do right here is to tap on this other layer that is spinning. Now go and look for delete and delete it. You get my point? So where is delete? Where is delete? Understand? So at this point, look at delete here. So you click on it. So what you're gonna do next right here is to tap on the ball layer. Understand? So the frozen layer is what I'm talking about. So you can tap on it and then drag the ending part of it to align with the end of the video. You get my point? Alright, so the next thing to do right here is to go to remove BG. So where is it? Where is remove BG? Alright, so look at it, click on chroma key, then move the color picker to where it shows green completely. Now you can increase the intensity to 30. You get my point? When you are done with that, you can click on this OK button. So now you need to place 2 fingers on your screen and resize it. Make it small like a normal football would be. You get my point? Then take it down to where your leg is. So guys, at this point, we need to have the ball from the beginning of the video to the end. Understand? So what you will do right here is you are going to tap on the ball layer. Understand? Now drag it to make sure it gets to the beginning of the video, something like what you just see on screen right now. So we have the ball from the beginning of the video to the end of it. So the next part for you to do is adding keyframes and then moving the ball towards where you want the ball to go to. I made a video tutorial on how to use keyframes. You get my point? So you can watch up here, then you'll be able to know how to do this. So when all of that is done, you can now export your video to your gallery. You get my point? So guys, see you in our next video.